Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you a new parameter in MRP calculation. With this new setting, you can cover the demand of coverage calculation by date. Up to now, the only option to define the priority of coverage calculation was by document. Let's see an example. We have a storage-related item which has two different requirements. One, it has a sales order for today or the past, and another one to cover another type of document, a work order that must be covered in the future. With the by document parameter, when the work order is created to cover the first line of the calculation, which is the sales order, the requirement for the sales order on the lower levels is still there, as according to this setting, the requirement has more priority to cover a work order than the sales order, independent of the date. With the new by date parameter, the priorities of coverage calculation are based on date. This work order with an inflow will be used for the coverage calculation to cover the sales order as the demand there is set sooner than the work order. If we check the raw materials, the priority of requirements is first to cover the parent item and then the other work order that is required in the future. Summing up, you can see the difference between day of order and the calculation results of the by document and by date MRP parameters on the lower levels. For detailed and updated information on coverage calculation, please visit our documentation page. Thank you very much for your attention.